Hi friends, welcome to Zentak channel. Today I am going to show how to prepare Herbal Kasayam. For this Kasayam we need tulasi, curry leaf, neem leaf, betel leaf, Indian borage leaf or Indian mint, Solanum trilobactam leaf. Now switch on the gas stove, keep the pan, add 1 glass of water, add Solanum trilobactam leaf, add curry leaf, add neem leaf, add tulasi, add Indian mint, leaf, betel leaf, add turmeric powder, add pepper powder. Let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. I kept for 1 glass of water. When it will come half glass of water, you can switch off the gas stove and you can filter it. Now you can drink. For kids from 2 age you can give. Before 2 age don't give. For adults and elders you can give half glass of Herbal Kasayam. This Kasayam will help to reduce cold and cough and fever, and it's good for our health. Herbal Kasayam is ready. Thank you.